nestled between your skin and the infinite sky. E-MOTE doesn't just read your emotions, it evolves them. This is wellness reimagined, not a device, a living extension of you. Born from Project Chroma, decades of classified research into non-terrestrial crystalline structures, the E-MOTE houses the revolutionary Evotion engine, powered not by lithium, but by the pure, resonant energy of your own human aura. No battery, no charging, ever. Crafted from a biocrystalline matrix that feels like a second skin, the E-MOTE delivers at a glance emotional intelligence. No bulky sensors, no discomfort, just pure, seamless connection between your inner world and the quantum mood crystal at its heart. Neurally calibrated hue mapping translates your biochemistry into living color in real time. Feel the shift before your mind even registers it. Stress melts into clarity. Anxiety transforms into calm focus. Your emotions, finally visible, finally understood.